from Creations with my granddaughter,
Megan from Blue Sky.
and we are coming today to do the unboxing of the Confetti collections.
We open it?
Yeah, let's open it. I can't wait to see what's in it. It is really a heavy box.
Bubble wrap! We got bubble wrap! Woohoo!
I have scissors.
I have scissors. And I have a finger. Let's fold it over.
Okay.
It's pinky. Oh, they can see.
Okay.
You know, if something was good at the time.
Look at this. It's got two things in it.
I called dibs on the better thing.
Bigger?
I said the better.
How do you know if it's better just because it's bigger?
I
Bigger's
don't.
not always better.
That's your opinion.
Okay. Shall we open this one first? It was on the top, so let's open this one first. Let's open it on the top. Okay.
Let's open this one first.
Ooh, late summer picnic. Alright. Look at this.
It's plates.
Oh, it's one of those little button type things.
Got it.
So it says, late summer picnic. Cook your favorite meals to celebrate the ones you love. Use the recipe book and meal planner to help organize your busy weeks. So they have given us
Plates.
But well, look at the cute little. Let me take it out of this package.
Those are paper straws. You don't know how to open them, do you?
Yeah, it's
You gotta
just
look
that
for the
it's-
tape. No.
No, I'm doing mine. You're doing yours. Remember?
I can help as long as you don't chop my
I don't
fingers
need
off.
any help. Thank you. Thank you.
Look, I help. You show that. I'll hold this for you.
I don't think.
I don't want the trash.
Alrighty, look at these napkins. Look at this. Aren't those pretty? Oh my gosh, 16 3-ply napkins. Look at the straws.
Stop that. You trying to cut my face out of there.
That's how it works.
Hey!
That's how it works. Okay, so here's some bowls. You can put your watermelon in that.
I was thinking soup because you said a bowl.
And then your plates. Those are pretty neat. I've not ever seen those before. Those are nice.
Sit down.
Next.
It's my turn. What did you do?
My card dropped, that's all.
Oh, well. Oh, well.
Alright.
Unlike you, I don't.
Well,
Startles me.
even Steven.
I'm
This is the way you act. I'm just letting
This
everybody
is the
know.
way we
Isn't that the way
unwrap.
she acted to mine? I said I would do it myself. She's like, all
I
right.
could never. So mine is pretty.
Ooh, gosh, look at that.
Take the trash, darling, dear. Whatever.
Would you like to see?
I have fingers.
Boy, this is a really good box, y'all.
So first we have this blue thingy, and it's blue, and it's a thingy. Probably a bag. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. You can help and pull that off. See, I let you help, and it is a bag. Oh, it's like a wine thing, I think. See, it's like
I'm gonna guess it's to put it
For
in to keep it
drinks.
cold. Yes.
because it feels thick,
Because of the way
like the reusable
inside
grocery
has-
bags that are cold.
So if you took your drink in a thermos,
It feels water resistant
and
too,
it
so if
could
it's
be-
by the pool, it would be fine.
it could be Kool-Aid for the
I thought you
kids.
were gonna say cooties. Store the
Your-
cooties.
Or Coke. Now the inside. Oh, it's got one of those little silicone bags in it.
Silicone.
So
Are you not gonna pull it
looks
out?
like that. I
Or
think
is
it's right
it-
here, honey. Right there.
That is not a silicone bag. That's a
Oh, I'm-
silica gel packet.
Oh, well, wrong thing.
Yes, that's okay. Moving on.
That's what it looks like. That's nice. And they're calling it a wine tote because they want to make this.
Told you.
Well, I don't think of wine because I don't drink. I'm sorry.
Oops.
The word wine does not bring alcohol to mind for me. It brings a whiny person,
Wine.
a whiny child, but not a wine drink.
Would you like some cheese with that wine, dear?
There you go.
And then you have a weekly meal planner. And it's got a magnetic strip on the back. Which is that's what that thing is.
What?
And you can, what?
I'm seeing where it
Questions,
says
dear?
groceries. Oh, that's your grocery list here on the right side. Oh,
Yeah, so you would write, I need to pick up
Lettuce.
wine.
Lettuce. Okay.
And then over here, maybe the world will let us plan our meals for the day. Or the week.
You're
Not just
really
the day.
grabbing there, aren't you?
Hey,
Okay.
this one says recipes. Now, see what I'm doing is I'm letting her help me unwrap, but she did not. So on the binding it says recipes. That'll probably be backwards. And here's the front. It's got some silverware. Now you can see the tripod in the back. Oh, that says it's a leatherette. Leatherette.
Mm-hmm.
It's got the gold stuff. And then,
Oh, look at that for your recipes.
what's this? Oh, there's a piece of paper. Do you guys want a paper? No? Okay. Well, I tried. So, you're going to get a reflection on it. But those are the recipe pages. And over here, which, can you hold this side up, please?
Uh-huh.
Thank
I
you.
can.
On this side, it says appetizers, soups and salads, and bread. So if you have, like, I don't know, a lot of people since recently, they've had, like, they're making banana bread and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So they're running out of ingredients. And let me see if they're...
It's got a little thing here that's holding it, that's all.
Oh, okay. I was like, huh?
Yeah.
So it looks like it's slots for your
And then these are the
cards.
dividers.
Yeah. Are the dividers different things?
To divide
Yeah,
this
look.
and your
No.
recipe, yeah.
That one's dots. That one's stripes. That one's more dots. But yeah, so I think all of the recipe cards are in here, or you can probably find your own. And then over here, ooh, this is storage tips.
Look at the back here. Let's take it like this.
Careful, careful, careful. Ah! And that's why I didn't do that.
Well,
You one at a time.
Okay, so you have to do this in order to see the other thing. Okay.
Yes, I still would have done it one
All
at
right,
a
here's
time.
all those, and then look at the very back. Look at that.
They can't see it.
Well, we're going to lift it up after we unwrap it
We'll
here.
lift it up.
All right, show them that.
It's a pocket. You guys can see it. I'm kidding. Oh,
You
it's
can
a
take it
paper
out of here.
pocket. It's
You want to
not.
take it out of there?
Yeah.
Okay, take it out of there so they can see it. There
So
you go.
this is what Miss Kathy has found. It's a pocket, and then you can put long stuff in there. Long stuff. Let's put bananas in it. And it's got this little thingy. This little thingy right there, and you wrap around. So you say, "Shh, my secret recipes." You can get in.
Your secret recipes? How did you go with
The
that?
other way.
Okay, so what
See,
they do
people
is,
can't
look,
figure it out.
yes, they can. You put it underneath there,
Yes, I can.
and you go up to the top like this.
Well, you know
You're
what?
only keeping it closed is all you're doing. That's it. And then this is just your filler.
You can glue on pictures of your stunning food on here.
Yes, you can. And then all the back has got
Yes, you
your
can.
equivalents.
Yeah, so the back is the measurements, the front is
It has
Freshness
liquid
tips.
equivalents, dry equivalents. The recipe calls for such a thing here for substitutions, and then you can use this.
Such a thing.
So if you wanted to use, let's say, lemon juice, what does it say? 1 tablespoon. Then it's telling you that you can use a half a teaspoon of vinegar to make up for the tablespoon of lemon juice in a
Teaspoon.
recipe. No, it's a table.
TSP is
Oh,
teaspoon.
I'm sorry, I'm reading it wrong. Well, it's
Do you
kind
need
of
some
blending
glasses?
in. No, I don't want to rip the paper off, and it's blending in with the reflection.
I was making a joke. And then the front is culinary reference guide. Gentle, gentle. Ah! I don't want to break it. It's
We're not
so
breaking it,
nice.
honey. We're not breaking it.
And I'm I'm the cook in between the two of us. I cook. Like last night we made stuffed chicken. I made stuffed chicken and she loved it. What did you say to them?
I guess you'll have to watch the video to see.
And you will get a smaller portion today. I love you.
Okay, shall we lay it all out here for everybody?
Oh, there's no more?
Did you want to
Keep
put
this,
a close shot of this to the camera so they have an idea of what this is? Because you said was a reference guide and they don't really know.
Okay. You guys aren't allowed to see any of it. We'll just tell you about it. Stop. This is mine. I call dibs.
You're not showing it yet. I'm waiting for you to
sure
show
you don't
it.
want that? Yeah. We'll get an overhead shot and I'll zoom. I'll do the zoomy zooms.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, we're going to lay it all down here and we'll let you take a look at it.
So this is the front of the binder, the culinary cookbook thing. So this is what I was saying about the storage tips. So it lets you know how long things will stay in the freezer or the pantry. These are terms in case you don't know what julienning is or deglazing it, and poach and other words that are on here. Ooh, mint. There are different temperatures that you can use, some abbreviations. Because some of us don't know what tablespoon versus teaspoon is. Those are some freshness tips. You got your lemons and your herbs, or in some places your herbs. So that's the front of it. These are what the recipe cards look like. They've got the fork, knife, spoon, which is also on the front of it. And then in the back here, and now I shall pass this over to Miss Kathy to speak.
Roof. I know, I'm being goofy today.
It's alright.
So there was the liquid equivalence I was talking to you about.
Can't hear you.
I didn't hear any of my audience say that. There's your dry ingredients
I am
equivalents. And here's the substitutions I was telling you about. Where it says here that on the left hand side is the recipe calls for such and such. You can substitute
Such and such.
by saying you may use, just to give you an idea, the baking powder.
If you can't use so and so, use such and such.
Tit for tat?
I don't like that.
Okay.
An eye for an eye.
Look at that. Molasses.
They can't see
A
that.
cup of molasses for a
wait,
cup
yeah,
of
they
honey.
can.
Those are going to be two totally different flavors. What are you doing? Well,
I was getting closer so I could see it better.
Okay.
Anyway.
So, an onion chopped, a third cup. Oh, no.
That's
Yeah,
a sour
you could
cream.
No, I'm looking at this one right here. I could barely see the dash for a third cup.
Oh.
You could use a teaspoon of onion powder or a tablespoon of dried minced onion.
And
But
my
it's not
favorite
actually using-
one, sour cream for yogurt. I don't like sour cream.
Oh.
I'd rather have yogurt.
Plain yogurt? To
Yes,
me, plain
I would
yogurt
rather
tastes just
have-
like sour cream.
Not to me. I can add fruit to that yogurt and it'll taste completely different. That sour cream is still going to taste like sour cream.
Okay.
That's just my opinion, though.
Okay. All right, well, that's it for the book, so let's take a look at something else. Alrighty, so Megan bought this at the farmer's market this past Wednesday, and we're going to put it in this bag here.
To see how well it fits.
So it covers the whole entire thing.
Perfect.
Looks good.
And at the top,
You want to look in?
it's just in there.
And then you could, what I would do if I took
You could probably
whatever
put
drink,
a second one next to it. If
bet
it was
you-
smaller.
I think you could. It looks like it would fit it.
Yeah.
But you could also wrap it to keep it cold.
Yeah.
Or put cold packs in this thing, because this is
And
pretty
it's
good.
thick. It's durable.
Yeah, and you probably,
You
I
can
don't
see
know if
it.
you can see the,
You can see
it's
it.
shiny there.
Uh-huh.
See that? You saw it right here.
Yeah.
It shows you that it's, yeah, it shows you that it's shiny, so it's not as if it's going to leak through.
Yeah.
Okay,
Camera
next. Flipped. Although we're doing it correctly, it still turned it, and I didn't like the way it looked. So we're showing it to you again. And I was saying that I really like these paper plates, napkins, straws, and everything. Now, if you're at home with the family, you don't need to do the social distancing, so you guys could put all this around the table and have like a party, or out in the backyard at the picnic table or whatever. If you're not, then you're gonna have to be quite a bit away from each other to use this stuff, but I really like this. And I really like the way that the confetti collection was put together this month. This is really nice packaging and a great box. And I want to thank all the people down at the confetti collection team for putting this together. This is really, really super nice. And I want to thank all my YouTube watchers. Thanks everybody for watching the video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.